Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the elephant ability in Grow a Garden game of Roblox new Safari update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Finally, I could get this elephant pet in Grow a Garden and I'm going to show you the ability of this pet. Well, let me place it on my garden. Okay, before I show you the ability guys, I'm going to show you how you can get the elephant new pet in Grow Garden. If you want to get it, you need to buy the Safari egg from the Safari shop. Okay, and you will have 0.5% possibility to get the elephant. And then I'm going to show you the ability, and this is so OP guys. It can make your pet larger. Okay, it can reset the age of your pet, and then it can increase the base weight. Okay, and it cannot bless other elephant. And yeah, this is so cool. And you need to keep it on your garden if you have this pet. It's really worth keeping in your garden. Okay guys, and that's all the ability of the elephant in Grow Garden game of Roblox new Safari update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.